Good morning, my dear friends. The cards are telling us we persevered and things are going to work in our favor. The Sun card is here telling us that there is bright prospects and happiness coming our way. It's time for a beginner's mind. Spirit says go back to the heart of who you truly are. There you will find true peace. Look at your life in its entirety, acknowledge any old wounds, and then release them. Use what they taught you as an added strength. Keep moving forward with a renewed sense of confidence. The transformation is going to be beautiful. The number card there is 143 and it's preparation. And they say your dreams and desires are coming into fruition. It's bringing change that you must welcome with an open heart and mind. Take a leap of faith. You can be free. Make the courageous choice to change your situation. It's time to collaborate. There is a stability in your life, and you're going to have financial stability as well. Um, you are ready for this after years and years of deliberating and delays in your life. There is arguments and turmoil and chaos still around you, but something is coming your way, ready or not. It's time to heal. If you are noticing changes within you, it's because you are leaving the old version of yourself behind. You are elevating and shedding unnecessary layers. Old cycles are ending and new beginnings are on the horizon. You deserve this new chapter. Spirit has a plan for all of us. And your number card is 1313. It's clarity. Loving energy surrounds you, and you must trust that the clarity you feel is the answer you need. Take the lead of your life and seek out other possibilities. Look for the magic in life. You've reclaimed your power, and the universe is working in your favor. Stay open hearted and open minded. The most difficult part of a situation is over, and something you were undecided about. You'll wake up this morning and you'll have a better idea about what to do. Your spirit guides and loved ones are watching over you. You can start feeling their presence. And your loved ones say you spiritually connected to everyone through God. Use the sacred bond to heal your family, friends, and yourself. Things are not always going to be this way. There is a change coming. Have a wonderful day, everybody. I love you all.